The Premier League is to introduce semi-automated offside technology for the first round of fixtures starting on Saturday, 12th April. Um, and I believe this was tested in other competitions, including the Qatar World Cup, if I'm not mistaken. Um, and it automates key elements of the offside decision-making process to support the video assistant referee. So a human will still have to check it, but some of it's automated. Um, The first Premier League match to benefit from its introduction will be the Manchester City's home game against Crystal Palace, 12:30. It aims to remove some elements of human subjectivity by replacing decisions made by officials with automated ones taken by technology. Um, as things stand, when a player scores after a borderline offside situation, officials in the video assistant referee room must decide on three key things: when the board was kicked, where and what angle the defender's body was when the ball was kicked, and where and what angle the attacker's body was. All three of these decisions will now be automatically taken by the technology. Um, Bespoke cameras will monitor a variety of key elements involved in any tight offside decision. They have been installed beneath the roof of at all 20 Premier League stadiums. They'll track exact movement of the ball as well as 10,000 surface mesh data points on the bodies of 22 players, meaning it can be automatically determined whether or not an attacking player's body was beyond the last defender at the exact time of the ball was played. The key things I want to focus on: artificial intelligence manages the process, monitoring the ball and player movement before coming up with a decision as to whether the player was onside or offside. But of course, later on, then a human will check it. But you can see the AI is being used even in the Premier League now, or will be used in the Premier League, um, in one of the biggest leagues in the world, one of the, if not the biggest sport in the world, watched by tens of millions around the world, live and in person. It shows you how far quickly and how far AI has become that it has been used in sports and it's been used in football and the Premier League. Perhaps it will be used in the Champions League and things like this. It's already been used in the World Cup, but it's good to see. Perhaps it will make a difference in offside rules. Um, but also it can make errors, or because of humans, it can make errors like we saw goal line technology was switched off or something like this. It led to an error. So it's not going to make 100% everything the same, but it can be a step towards trying to make decisions a bit more accurate and easier for the match officials, although they will still be involved, but they will have less to do, and we will be analysing what they have been given.